Welcome. My name is Martin Kuppinger. I'm founder and principal analyst at KuppingerCole, a European analyst company focusing on information security. What I will talk about is the need for context when looking at what privileged users are doing when monitoring, recording, and analyzing sessions, and understanding where the problems, the fraud, the abuse might be. So, from a passive perspective, the traditional target of privilege management very much has been to restrict access to sessions. However, administrators have to do their work, and operators and so on. Privileged users have to do their work. So they have to run a session, but things might go wrong. There might be malicious activity, etc. And here, session monitoring comes into play, and session recording comes into play. Monitoring means understanding what happens during the session. Recording means, as the word says, recording the session for replay so that it can be used in forensics and other types of analysis, etc. The monitoring part is quite easy as long as it's a text-based shell where you just can look at what is typed in, etc. It becomes quite more interesting when it's a graphical interface, because then it's about understanding what really has been done there by OCR technology applied to the session to look at what really happens here by putting the log files into context and really understanding when happened what, and specifically at least what happened during the session. So bringing together monitoring and recording is very important to have the context of when did someone do what, to be able to quickly replay that single portion instead of running through petabytes of videos or whatever, hours and hours. And so we really have, if we do it, we have to do it right to put a context to the recording, because this is really where we combine monitoring, recording, and the ability to do further analysis if we observe that there's something has gone wrong. Particularly because for monitoring, yes, we might say, okay, in the case of certain events, we immediately react and have automated actions which block further activities. But in most cases, it's more that at some point it appears there was something which raised an alert, and then it was done anyway, and we have to review, was this correct? And in that case, we really need to understand what is the context, when did it happen, to be able to review this entire thing. And this is where we have to move forward the way we do traditionally in privilege management. Just recording is not enough, just monitoring is not enough. It's the combination of monitoring, recording, and the ability to then analyze the events. Thank you.